Good morning guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. First of all, what's going on with this weather? I don't know if you can even see that. There we go. It's quite a nice little like sunrise, but it's really like humid and warm and damp outside today. I want the cool weather of December, please. Anyway, I am very tired today guys, but all is good because today we are going to be looking at Starbucks. I am a huge fan of Starbucks. I drink it most days. So today I wanted to share with you the Christmas specials. At some point today I will be ordering a coffee because I will definitely need one. And then I will go and show you some of the merchandise after school today. Yeah, that's the plan. Oh, and I already ordered a few things online because they'd already sold out in the shops. So I'll show you them as well. Needed on a day like today where it's this humid. Right, my class is going to start with handwriting. This is just a pack that I found on Twinkle. It's cursive handwriting. It's something that we try and work on here. So I'm just printed off like this. It's like back to front, and they have different letters each week. The kids seem to quite like the activities. It's quite nice. It also helps with their vocabulary. But we're going to start off with this because they all come in dribs and drabs in the morning, so it's a nice activity for them to start with. And then we have Spag and Math Skills. It is now 10 o'clock. Been a busy morning, had a very productive maths lesson and Spag lesson, but now it is break time and we also have a free period to do marking. So I've got my Starbucks. I'm talking. So I have gone for a Frappa Chappa. I've gone for a peppermint mocha frappuccino. Yes, I know it's cold, therefore kind of defeats the object of feeling Christmassy, but we live in Thailand. It is a necessity. It's nice. I love the peppermint. What's your favourite one? So drink wise, here they don't have as many as they do in England. They have peppermint mocha, which they have every year. They have toffee nut, and the new one this year is red velvet oat milk latte, which is nice. It's just really sweet. It's okay. If you want a hot one, it's quite a good one, but I do quite like the peppermint. It is my favourite. Anyway, I better get on with some work. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. It's like gingerbread. It's like gingerbread with like a cream cheese and cranberry on top. Well, that's really nice. I quite like that. Right, now I'll do some work. So I am heading into Starbucks after work today and I wanted to show you a few of the different things they have on offer here. So at Christmas time, they do have lots of different types of merchandise available. They also have a few different ranges. So they have this one range that's like a light green. They also have this sparkly darker green colour. I really like this tumbler. I feel like I might go back and get it. I feel like I say that every time I see it. At some point I'll go back and get it. But I will say this stuff does run out quite quickly. They have this range of flasks with little scenes around the outside. This was new. So this little cup holder candy cane pattern was new to, like, in the sense of it's new this year, but it's also fairly new this month. A lot of this stuff was available from November onwards, and you can also buy it from Lazada. So if you're not living near a Starbucks, you can actually get some of this from Lazada or Shopee. They also have lots of these different cups. I quite liked this, like this espresso mug cup. I thought it was really cute. I don't drink espressos enough. Callum does, but I can't imagine he would appreciate a Christmas one like that too often. This one was also really cute. There's a lot of like Nutcracker themed stuff this year. I also liked this mug. However, because I'm right-handed, that rabbit thing on the top, or is it a dog? I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, would go right into my face. So they do have lots of different types of mugs here. They also have lots of different tumblers. Now, these are not specific to Christmas. They have various colours throughout the year, but they do have a few more Christmas mugs over here. So they have this really cute elephant mug, which I did like. I just feel like it is such a hassle to wash. And that Starbucks bag, by the way, if you spend over a certain amount, you can get that. The Christmas blend is actually really nice. This red Christmas blend I have got the sachets for, and I've been trying them at work. They are lovely. The Christmas food. So this year they have the Christmas tree and a unicorn cake, which is pretty standard. They normally have stuff like this. They also have these ham and cheese or cranberry and cheese sandwiches, which are amazing. The cranberry food is also pretty popular here, and you have your usual like Christmassy themed cakes and stuff like that. Hi guys, right. So I have shown you some of the things that they have in Starbucks here, and I did make some purchases, and I also did purchase a few things online. So one of the things I wanted to point out was that the Starbucks stuff, like the Christmas stuff, came out in like November. So I had already purchased a few things, and a lot of the stuff sells out really quickly, but let me show you what I've got. The first thing you might have seen in the shop was this cold cup ornament keychain. Now I love the cold cups in Starbucks. I love that because I use them at work often, and I love them, and I have different themed ones. So in Halloween I had a nice Halloween one. I have a lovely one that a student gave me at the moment, but this is an example of one of the cold cups, and it's actually a Christmas decoration ornament. Let me see if I can open it, hang on. But you could also have it as a keyring if you wanted it as a keyring. So I picked up the Christmas blend dark roast ready brew coffee. So all you have to do with this is add hot water. So it's like a spiced chocolate roast. It's like a spiced chocolate dark roast. So I'm going to try that tomorrow. And then Callum picked up these. We've never seen these. You literally just pour, pack it into glass, stir. So you put cold water or milk into a glass, then you pour this in, and then you stir it. Never seen a cold one before. This is 450 baht. This was 450 baht. And then this was 300 baht. So this is just a small little tote bag, which is very cute. So that is a nice little bag that comes out. So those are the things I bought from the shop. I did also order something online, so one moment. Right, and then the other thing I bought this online, was this lovely Starbucks ornament. I think you probably can get this in America. I think I've seen people in vlogs with it, but it is a Starbucks Christmas cup. And it is 500 baht from Starbucks. I think I paid that much online as well. It was on like the actual Starbucks shop on Lazada, and it is ceramic. And it has a little Starbucks logo. So I've got two lovely little Christmas ornaments. So yeah, that is my Starbucks purchasing and my little tour of what Starbucks is like here in Bangkok at Christmas time. I hope you like this video, guys. Sorry it was a bit random. Have a wonderful day, and I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Take care, guys. Bye.